thing that I appreciate most with Shed Village was the quality of workmanship leveraged against the fair price.
We got the whole package, good customer service, good product, and something that we're happy with.
They came in on time, they came in on budget. We were blown away with the quality of the work.
The experience I like with Shed Village has been just exceptionally great.
Efficient, they listened to what we needed, they were clean, they were happy, they were friendly, and in the end we got more than what we wanted.
He did exactly what he said he was going to do. He exceeded my expectations in terms of a finished product, and the price was right on point.
Everybody comments about how nice it looks. It's practical. We can get everything in that we want as well.
They came on site with all the materials prefabricated. It was a professional installer and got it done in time. Didn't get in anybody's way. It's exactly what you're looking for.
I would recommend him anywhere, anytime.
It looks better than what I thought it was going to be. Shed Village rocks.